In the previous video, I talked about the importance of upgrading your seller status from just a regular seller to a level 1, a level 2, and then a top rated seller. But I didn't mention another level that you could become. And basically this is a relatively new area of Fiverr. And what I'm talking about is Fiverr Pro. So here I am on the home page of Fiverr, and there's a link up here where it says Fiverr Pro. You click on that, and basically when you click on this, you'll be brought to a page where you can find gigs by top sellers. But these are not just top sellers, these are Fiverr Pro verified sellers. This is basically the top 1% of sellers on Fiverr. And if you're a pro verified seller, the benefits of that are, for one thing, you're going to get a lot of work coming your way because a lot of companies are looking for high quality services. And your gigs aren't just going to be found on this page. Your gigs will also be found on the regular listings. And basically your gigs are more likely to be found than by other sellers who are not pro verified. Another benefit of becoming a pro seller is the credibility. You'll also be able to charge a lot more money. You're going to be attracting clients who aren't so price sensitive. They're more worried about the quality of the work than the price and are willing to spend thousands of dollars on your services. I mean, just take a look at some of the services here. Just look at the prices of some of them. $1,197 for a logo, $6,000, and this is for a brand identity for your business. Okay, $800. Let's keep scrolling down here. Okay, someone's offering to write a travel article, and this one's for $493. So long gone are the days where Fiverr was just about finding services for $5 or $5 gigs. Now they're $1,000 gigs. Here's one for $6,000. I will produce an overhead video for your product. Another benefit of becoming a pro seller is that you'll be assigned your own personal success manager to help grow your business. But yeah, the people who are trying to be hiring you for your services, they're not really going to be worried about the price. So you don't have to worry about trying to offer a discount or trying to offer a low price to attract customers. So you can focus more on quality. And that's what the customers here want. They want quality over price. So how do you become a Fiverr Pro seller? Well, it doesn't happen automatically, unlike becoming a level 1 or level 2 seller. You actually have to apply to become a pro seller, and you have to go through a vetting process. So unfortunately, there's only a small percentage of people that become a pro seller. But it's definitely something you want to strive for if you want to grow your business and have work coming your way. Now, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to quickly mention a business model that you may be interested in. And it's basically a quick way to make money on Fiverr. This may give you some ideas. Some people are doing this. And what I'm talking about is arbitrage. So when it comes to Fiverr, you could sell services to clients. And instead of you doing the work, you're going to pay someone else from a different freelance site, or possibly maybe even on Fiverr, to do that service for you. So for example, you could go to another freelance site, find somebody to do logo designs for $1, and then you could offer gigs on Fiverr for logo creation for $5. So basically you're making a profit of $4 less fees. Another example is SEO. You could provide an SEO service. You could go to an SEO freelance site such as SEOclerks.com, and they have a lot of cheap services here related to SEO, and you could provide similar services on Fiverr for a much higher price. So for example, the first thing I see here is rank first on Google with massive authority, edgy backlinks, and this is $15. You could offer a similar service for $20 or $25 on Fiverr, and when you get orders, you would just go ahead and place an order from this freelancer. So this is something for you to think about. I imagine the type of person that would be interested in this business model is someone that doesn't have the time to provide services on Fiverr and would like a quick way to provide services to clients. What you could also do is ask some of these freelancers if they could give you a discount, because some of them are willing to give a 2-for-1 deal, and if you work with them over a long period of time, you're going to get better deals.